In a village surrounded by hills, there was a tradition where each family lit a lantern every night. These lanterns filled the village with a warm, golden glow, creating a beautiful, serene atmosphere. One night, a fierce storm swept through the village, knocking down trees and causing power outages. The villagers were left in darkness, and many were scared and uncertain about what to do. In one small house, a young boy named Alex remembered the lantern his grandmother had given him. It was small, but it had always been his favorite. Alex lit his lantern and placed it in the window. The tiny light shone brightly in the dark night. Seeing Alex's lantern, other villagers were inspired. One by one, they found their own lanterns and candles, lighting them and placing them in their windows. Soon, the village was aglow with hundreds of tiny lights, driving away the darkness and bringing hope to everyone. An elderly villager, noticing Alex's small lantern, said, "Alex, your light was the first. It showed us the way. Thank you for your bravery and for reminding us that even the smallest light can make a big difference." Alex smiled, feeling proud and happy. The moral of the story is, no matter how small you are or how small your actions may seem, you can still make a big difference. A single light can inspire many others to shine.